Today we have a 17 Ford Fusion. It goes for multiple years. We show you how to take the tail light out to either change a bulb or remove the assembly. And I don't know if this is all LED. May not have any bulbs. You may have to change the assembly. So the first thing you have to do is open the trunk and remove the trim panel. There's a little spinner off for wing nut there for closing it. And then you want to put your hand back here or a screwdriver and peel the inner trim back. Better find a screwdriver. All right, pull it back. First thing you see there, get that back all the way. That's really in there. Let's move some stuff. On the inside, there's no access, so you do have to get this trim out. I'm gonna worm that out. Use a little force, a little muscle. Two 10 millimeter studs there, so 10 millimeter nut on the screw. We're going to take them out. Take them off. All right. So we don't want to lose them. So, all right, so now we got both screws out. You can see it wants to come out, but there's clips on the side that hold it. So you try to wiggle it first. Then we're going to hit it. So the idea, so we're just going to, without breaking it, keep wiggling it. All right, so the idea is keep hitting it here till the studs come completely through the metal. It feels like you're forcing it. Then once you have it, you gotta just pull real hard. And I got it, see?
Wow.
So this push pin here, it's a pressure pin.
Yeah.
Goes into this grommet over here. So that's the three things that hold it on. That push pin and the two 10 millimeters.
There we are.
So this doesn't have any bulbs. It is LED. And we're going to just disconnect this here. There's a little push pin there. Press it and pull. And that's how it's done. And then if you want to replace the assembly, as like I said, there's no bulbs. Place the assembly and put it back in the same way. Joe Beermaster, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Remember to use a little pressure and a little force to get that tail light out. Take care.